Let's say you have an Android app that transfers money and a user wants to send $15 to her friend Lillian. Typically, what a user would do is click through multiple screens to get to the page where they can send the money. But wouldn't it be better if your user can just simply say, "Hey Google, send $15 to Lillian," and hit submit? You can make this happen using Google's Assistant app actions, which are shortcuts that give your users a much faster voice-enabled path into your app. In today's AoG Pro Tips, we'll learn how to extend your Android app to Google Assistant using app actions and built-in intents. App Actions is a simple way to connect the helpfulness of Google Assistant to your existing Android app. It enables you to service critical features of your Android app to users through voice. It also provides a more natural way for users to directly access your app's content. Assistant's powerful natural language understanding handles the user request and translates it into a deep link that your app can understand. Taking the use case above with the app that makes a direct payment to Lillian, I could tell Assistant, "Send $15 to Lillian" on the payment app, and it will use the app's integration to deep link into the payment screen using the recipient, Lillian, and amount $15 as parameters of the request. As long as this payment screen is accessible through a deep link, App Actions can fast-forward the user into that existing experience. Speaking of intents, we are talking about Assistant's built-in intents or BIIs here. It is a key concept that App Actions provides for Android apps. It allows Google Assistant to translate a voice query into an app's deep link with parameters. Note that a BII is different from an Android intent, which is a different topic and we won't talk about it today. Going back to our payment app example, we use Create Money Transfer, which is one of the built-in intents available to finance apps. This BII allows Assistant to fulfill the query, "Send $15 to Lillian." In the process of fulfilling it, we capture the amount of money to transfer using Money Transfer Amount Value parameter and the receiver's name using Money Transfer Destination Name parameter. The Create Money Transfer BII can also be used for other queries such as requesting money or making a payment to your friends. Because the language model of BIIs is built and maintained by Google's natural language understanding, as a developer, you don't have to provide all the variations on the phrasing that can be used to trigger the BII. Here are a couple other ways that Assistant can understand how to make a money transfer. BIIs also support internationalization for different languages. There are currently over 60 BIIs in several categories, such as transportation, fitness, communications, finance, and food ordering. Make sure you take advantage of the benefits of the BIIs since it's the fastest way to add voice interaction in your mobile app. App Actions allows you to map these BIIs to the existing deep link intents you may already have in your Android app. This means the core integration will not require any adjustments to your existing application logic. But if you don't have any deep links in your app, you can always add one to suit the BII you're working with. This mapping between the deep link intent and BII is done through a special XML file in your Android bundle, which you can learn more on our Google Assistant documentation. I will share the link in the description below. For more pro tips like this, be sure to check out the rest of our videos and share your thoughts with us on Twitter using the hashtag AoG Pro Tips. Thanks for watching.